And moving over to some of your key projects, the Wedge VMS project, where your drill program is operating, was once a past producing mine. What does this mean for potential?
Well, why we like the Wedge is it was a past producing mine in the 60s, and it had about 3 million tons of VMS. So that's lead, zinc, silver, copper, and gold before they knew it was critical minerals. And primarily it mined about 1.5 million tons at the time. And then it had a head frame and pillar collapse, and it was abandoned. So they never got down to the lower levels of the mine. And in today's prices, so I look at that like an orphan mine. And there is an orphan mine strategy around the world now where you take old mines that were past producing, so you're not looking for it, it's there. Use new technology to expand the footprint deeper. How big is that? And that's a big, rewarding economic plan, and we like that at the Wedge. So our mandate right now at the Wedge project is to drill. We use new technology with drones and late-time conductive response magnetics, see what holds the charge the most in the ground, the longest, and we believe that's the VMS sulfides. So we have identified a whole new zone southeast of the mine and northwest of the mine, and that's what we're testing right now. And our first hole hit 58 meters of mineralization, and that's gone to the labs. And on Monday, we announced our second hole, which hit 134 meters of high-grade copper and zinc, and we're very happy about it because it's new.